heading out of Puerto Galera on our way back to Manila.
You have ticket already?
Yes.
Yeah. We've decided that we're going to keep it really light in Manila and just go see Mall of Asia.
Thank you. They get you coming and going with these terminal fees and environmental fees.
Wow. Terminal fee only 10 pesos each. And we're on to the security level.
Calling all the passengers for ambulance.
There's someone ahead of us who is a Filipino person wearing a black MAGA hat.
Oh no.
So that's the first quarter of the trip. Now about a 3 hours bus to Manila.
It's got that new terminal smell, which in this case is burning coconut oil and pork.
Manila, taxi, Manila.
Taxi.
Is this our final trike of the visit? I hope so. To the terminal next.
249. Aircon bus with.
That bus is still pretty empty. Gotta wait till it fills up usually.
O Lord, with your caring hands and watchful eyes, that no one shall be hurt as we pass by.
We have made it into the apartment, which we must now immediately leave so we can go meet up one more time
With Jason and Nami.
in the distance. Mall of Asia, where you can find a chicken wire wrapped globe and IKEA. Oh yeah, do you think they have the veggie dogs at IKEA?
That's what I was excited about.
I bet they don't. Don't mean to be harsh on you Philippines, but you don't have any of the good stuff. Just kidding, you do. Everything's really great here. I'm gonna cut all this out.
We're headed to Mall of Asia because what else do you do when you're leaving shortly?
Is that what you usually do?
I have no idea. We were delayed because our Airbnb host said coming 25 minutes before he ended up arriving. Tell me in the comments, what host nation has the worst Airbnbs? Is there a country that really does Airbnb just chill?
Like good chill or bad chill?
We're just saying chill. We're not specifying.
For us, we thought one of the more chill places may have been Costa Rica. Lots of rules, not a lot of service, but a beautiful country, so not bad. Here it's been mixed.
We are slowly making our way in, although I have to say I don't exactly know how to get in, but let's try a little jaywalking. They have this in this country too. How to get into the mall? Mall?
Next building, sir.
He gets asked that so much. Next building, sir.
So far, the crowds are plentiful. Is some sort of celebrity. They have the hair of a celebrity and the clothes of a celebrity. We got all the Western brands so far. I'm seeing lots of Western brands, lots of centralized wealth. And so far, the thing I like about it the best
Is the air conditioning. Say yes properly because they filled her hands with too many packages.
Hey, since we're here at the mall, you wanna shop?
We have to keep going. That's very sweet. I want to make sure that if you're using this video to help you get an idea of what the layout of this mall is, that you don't use this video to get an idea of what the layout of the mall is. Aimlessly wandering. So far I can tell you it's got all the major brands. Oh, and now we found IKEA. Guess what we saw at IKEA?
10 pesos.
20.
This is 50 cents worth of ice.
Yeah, really coconutty, really smooth, a little bit watery, just kind of like their strawberry version at home. A very, very nice treat. It's small, but each one of these little cones is only 25 cents.
This hallway is incredibly warm. Found him. Hi. Nice to see you.
Yeah, man.
Nice to see you. Hello. Nice to see you. Armani does makeup. The extra thin.
I'm just gonna say it right now. The pita looks like a tortilla. I'm just gonna say it.
511 store.
Stop it.
Look at that.
Natalia loves gear, and this is some of her favorite pants and gear.
Let's go in and look. Let's go in and look. In you go. She's like, twist my rubber arm. In I go.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Wow. That is a lot of religious stuff. Really nice. Guitar center, audio pile, Yamaha store, a slime shop. And over there we've got an incredibly busy ice rink. It's $400 for 2 hours.
That's $5 an hour,
Which is a lot here. $10 a full day's wage. About that for 2 hours of skating time. And as you can tell, it's quite a giant Pikachu, a food hall. It looks like not the most extensive vegan options, but I'm sure there's something. Archery, a laser tag arena. You've reached the cyber zone. The camera has the power to make people even shorter.
We took the highway to the cyber zone.
You can just see some fireworks through the trees there. Every Saturday night, the mall has fireworks. National Geographic, Keene, Watson, Sport House. Bye, friend. Really nice to enjoy the Philippines with you. I can see he's overcome with emotion. Oh. What is that through the window? And behind us, a second round of fireworks has started, but let's talk about what really matters. This giant, lazy looking kitty.
I'm just gonna come out and say it. Unrelated to the cat, don't eat Mediterranean food in the Philippines.
There we go, got the whole thing in the shot. Do you have a banana for scale? Oh.
I'll have to use my own. We found this place called Bamboo Dessert Drinks, and they have like 10, 15 versions of Che fusion drinks that are vegan. So we got the taro lover because I love taro, and we also got the fruit lover because I love fruit. Sorry, I just glitched because I can't believe how many of them are vegan.
7, sir, and thank
Carl?
you, sir. Mix well, sir.
Thank you.
Vietnamese Che. Crushed ice. Stir it all in real nice. This is the taro lovers. That's the one I'm super excited for. It's nice, thin crushed ice with taro at the bottom. Whoa, holy shit. The taro. Delicious. Alright, I've got it all mixed. This one has more of the yellow bean and kind of fruit jelly flavor to it. It's a little brighter and less potatoey. They're both excellent. They're both very true Che. Nice thin crushed ice, refreshing. And these are heavy drinks. So how's this for bullshit? I come to this place, Bamboo, here at the Mall of Asia, a place I wasn't going to visit anyway. I wasn't going to come down and look at this place because the other bubble tea up there also had nothing vegan. Here they have 10 vegan things, and then I notice on the cup it says USA, Canada, Philippines. And I'm like, well, where is it in Canada? I'm sure if there was Che this good at home, I would know about it. Well, guess what? It's on Kingsway. There's a Bamboo on Kingsway serving this drink. They have the same damn menu with all the drink choices. And it's not like it just opened in our absence. It's been open 6 years. So I came all the way to the Philippines to find out that this was in East Van, where I have lived for so long, and still frequent now that I don't live there anymore.
It's between Fraser and Clark.
It's between Fraser and Clark on Kingsway in the Vietnamese neighborhood. I like the taro lover, Natalia likes the fruit lover, and us two lovers are gonna go and love some bamboo shakes in Canada, where we live. The way I have showed you this mall makes no sense. We barely scratched the surface. It's a mall with literally every Western brand, specialty brand, food item that you can imagine. There are some good vegan gems here, as you saw.
But we can't find our way out of
We can't find our way out of the mall, so maybe I'll have no choice but to show you more stuff. La Senza, Aeropostale, body shop. It's true. Earlier I said this looked like a bunch of chicken wire on some steel posts. Did I know at the time that it was a lovely set of LEDs to help advertise the mall? No, I did not, so I'm very sorry. Mall of Asia, or as they call it, MOA. It's 5:30 a.m. and we're on the way to the airport. Oh, Philippines. Well, we'll see you soon, I hope. All right, into the airport we go. Passport line. We are headed to Bangkok as the first stop, and then later today, Laos. Try to contain yourself as you watch this. I know you're waiting for the big reveal. When's he gonna show what the Laos airport looks like? Just chill. Again, another bubble tea find. At home, this is has lots of vegan options, but there was a little bit of confusion as I asked what was non-dairy. She said it's non-dairy, and I was like, okay. And she said it's powdered milk, which is usually not non-dairy. Anyway, after some discussion, I checked the ingredients and it says non-dairy creamer, sugar, whatever for the powder, and there is no other milk added. So, milk tea. We've selected a very appropriate breakfast comprised of potato corners fries. Here in the Philippines, you can have both barbecue and spicy barbecue seasoning. All the rest have milk. And there's no ketchup. This is goodbye. Where should we go next time? Tell me in the comments. What do we miss? Where should we go?
Don Juan is 1 hour behind.
We saw so many amazing sights in the Philippines, met so many wonderful people, and we will miss you until the next time.
Choosing Air Asia, and we hope to fly with you again if you have it.
The Kas and the Nas have already started, for we are briefly here in Thailand. Proceeding onward to our next gate. Here in Thailand at Burger King, they have their own version of the plant-based Whopper. When it first came out 5 years ago, it had some milk ingredients in the bun. Now it does not. New development. However, you can't get any sauce on it. It's just 2 of the patties, corn, potato, etc., a bun, and lettuce and onion, and tomato. So let's see what it's like. It comes blazing hot. Quite tasty. Loading in for Laos. Thank you. Make sure to watch my very next video, the Philippine exit interview. For Vegan Everywhere, I'm David.